A noun is a word that names a person, animal, place, thing, or idea. It's anything that you can think about. Some nouns are called possessive nouns. A possessive noun shows that a noun possesses something. Possess means to have or to own. For example, the parrot's feathers are colorful. The boy's hamburger tastes delicious. The girl's blocks are square. The city's sidewalks are covered in snow. The sun's rays are hot. Let's talk first about singular possessive nouns. Singular refers to only one thing. One person. One animal. One place. One thing. Or one idea. The lion has sharp teeth. You can use a possessive noun to say that this one lion has or possesses sharp teeth. So, another way to say or write the sentence is, the lion's teeth are sharp. To make a singular noun possessive, add an apostrophe and the letter S. The bear's fur is white. The street sidewalks are wet. The dog's fur has spots. The pizza's sauce is spicy. Joey's eyes are brown. Chris's eyes are hazel. Some singular nouns end with the letter S. To make the noun possessive, you can either add an apostrophe S at the end of the word, or simply add an apostrophe to the end of the word without the additional S. The school bus's lights flashed. The word bus ends with the letter S. To make it possessive, you can add an apostrophe S, or you can just add an apostrophe. As you know, plural nouns name more than one person, animal, place, thing, or idea. There are many plural nouns that end in S. For example, boys, elephants, bubbles, worries. When a plural noun ends with the letter S, just add an apostrophe to the end of the word to make it possessive. For example, the frog's home was in the swamp. The bee's hive protects them. The kid's tube is yellow. The tube belonged to both the kids, not just one. When a plural noun like kids ends with the letter S, just add an apostrophe after the S. You don't need another S. Some words that are plural don't end in S. The word children is a plural noun, but it doesn't end with the letter S. To make it possessive, add an apostrophe, then the letter S. Learning about grammar helps you to communicate better with other people, whether you're writing an essay, reading a book, or just having a conversation. It's the proper use of grammar that helps people to better understand each other.